I was gonna do unboxing, but I had messed up so everything. I got the Space Jams in. Fortunately, I might just do this differently. So I got the Space Jams. Here we go. Got the Space Jams. Got the Space Jams in. Space Jams are here. Wham, wham. Anyways, I got the Space Jams. 4-5. As you can see, this jump, man, it's kind of, I don't know if you can see it lining up, but it's kind of high with the 4-5. The stitching is very good. Feel like this is compared to this trimming feels like my Kiku versions of my braids, but it's like my Kiku versions. As you can see, it's lined up and everything. It's neatly. The shoe smells awful. It smells like pure glue. Pure glue. Here's another look at it. I don't know, it's too much light on it. But there they are. They both lined up very well. Look dirty back there. Both lined up very well. A little dirty back here. Too much light. I don't know if y'all can see that. A little dirty. Clean cut. Stinks very bad. It smells of glue, reeks of glue. As you can see, shoe tree is in here. Pull out shoe tree. The blue shoe tree is in here. Size 10. Peak. This peak right here, if you can see it, I don't know if you can see that peak or not. It's alright. Ain't the best peak, but it's alright. Here's another peak. This is a good looking peak. This peak over here is just trash. This peak is trash again. It's not even a peak, man. I don't know what you want to call that. This shit is terrible. Stitching coming out. The peak is not there. I don't know, man. This is third spacing. This tongue is rough as hell. Rough as shit. And I gotta put my rough as shit. This is not really my preferred type of shoe. Laces was in there. Fat and chunky. The shoe looked nice overall, but as you can see in my voice, I'm not enthusiastic about it. Yeah, that tumble leather is okay. I don't know what tumble leather. I'm talking shit. I don't know what that is. But there it is. And on this side, this peak hit. I don't know if you see that peak. This peak over here hitting. This peak right here. This peak right here is fucking awful. Fucking awful trash. This peak right here. This peak is good. That peak good, but I guess you got the center blocks or whatever you call it. That the center look in it. Feels plushed or whatever. Feels nice. Sorry shoe, I guess. But yeah, I got them. Got these for UA shoes. They alright if you like them, but they good for what they are. The blue hitting very well. Ice blue, as I call that, ice blue. Bubblegum ice blue, very good ice blue. Dirty ass patent leather. My dirty leather is dirty as it comes. It's dirty, but it is what it is. I got the box or whatever. I didn't do the unboxing. Came with that. Came with this box. 4 or 5. It came with white and black paper. It got the QC sticker. My Kiku version had that too. It had that QC stamp in there and whatnot. Guess you could call it that. This is it, man. I got the other little thing to it. I got this shit for it. The 23. The Looney Tunes back, dirty as heck. This is what happens. You box stuff across the water. It can always come in the way you want it to. Like, yeah, I got these 4 for us. Got these from UA Shoes. You can check them out. Take a chance with them. I'll take a chance with them. They good overall. Don't get me wrong. They good overall, but they not. They not. I guess they just not. They not my purpose of a shoe. I guess I'm mad because my peaks is trash. That's why I'm so upset. My peaks was not taken care of. But they okay shoes. Check them out if you want to. Get you a pair if you need them. I wish Kiku had them, but UA Shoes got them. It is what it is.